Good morning, everyone. My name is Atharva,
My name is Shamak.
and our topic name is profit. Meaning of profit. When sales value is more than the expenses of our business, then we say that our business is in profit. Owner pays his money for various expenses like buying the product, to store it in the godown, everyone, transportation, advertising, electricity, etc. Total of these expenses is known as the total cost of the product. When after selling this product, when the sales value is more than the total cost of the product, then we say that our business is in profit. Use of profit. Profit is fuel of business because the same is used to buy more products and make profit again.
Use of profit. Banks are giving loan to the profitable business because they know they can take the money back, but they cannot give the lost business the money because they cannot give the money back. Explanations of profit. My uncle is running a business of Alpanso mango. He purchased 100 rupees per dozen and he sells 500 rupees per dozen. He get the profit of 5,000 rupees and he have calculate the money money of transports and packaging. It is 2,000 rupees and the total profit is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees and he can use the money in future for buying more products. Thank you.
Thank you.